Exterior differences: the new Nissan X-Trail, Rogue, versus Kia Sportage 2 Plug-in Hybrid 2026. That's a great question comparing two major competitors. The 2026 model year brings refreshes and distinct design philosophies for both the Nissan X-Trail, Rogue in North America, and the Kia Sportage Plug-in Hybrid. Here are the key exterior differences between the two, focusing on the distinct styling elements. Unique exterior features. Nissan X-Trail, Rogue. Available Rock Creek Edition adds rugged styling, off-road tires, blacked-out trim, unique wheels. Available tilting and sliding dual-panel panoramic moonroof, in some trims. Motion-activated liftgate is available. The PHEV model for the Rogue/X-Trail may be a new addition for 2026, and its exterior will likely be nearly identical to the standard model, potentially with a small, plug-in hybrid, badge and a second fuel/charging door. Kia Sportage PHEV. The X-Line trim offers a more rugged look with blackout trim and unique badges. Available standard panoramic sunroof with power sunshade, in some trims. Hands-free power liftgate is available. As a PHEV model, it will have a visible charging port door, usually on the side fender, in addition to the fuel door, and subtle, plug-in hybrid, badging. Front fascia and lighting. This is where the most significant differences lie, especially with the 2026 Kia Sportage refresh. Nissan X-Trail/Rogue. Grille features the latest evolution of Nissan's V-Motion grille, often with layered crossbars, creating a distinct, chiseled look. Headlights uses a split headlight design, with the upper section, often a slim LED strip, acting as the daytime running lights and the main, multi-level LED headlights positioned lower, integrating with the gill-like air inlets. Kia Sportage PHEV, refreshed. Grille features a broader, more boxy, and upright tiger nose grille that is prominent and wraps around the nose. Headlights. The polarizing boomerang LED daytime running lights from the previous model are generally replaced with a more conventional, stacked or cube-style LED projector design that is chunkier and more vertical. The DRLs are now often an amber-colored, scythe-shaped element flanking the grille. In summary, the Kia Sportage PHEV opts for a visually bolder, more futuristic, and sportier look with its distinct lighting and grille. The Nissan X-Trail/Rogue maintains a more conventional, upscale, and rugged SUV aesthetic with its multi-level lighting and V-Motion grille.